Does it get much better than Smokey Robinson on the Sounds of Salford? No, I don't think it does. Right, sadly, we're coming to the end of the show tonight. Why, you might ask? Why? Why? Because Williams works and works and works, then goes on photo shoots, and then has to do a show. So I don't know what time you're going to get this show. It's probably going to be about 10:30 when we're coming out, because I'm going to start it now. So, oh my dear, now past 10, we're not going to have many listeners tonight. Everyone's going to be in beddy bowls for work in the morning, aren't they? So, all I can say is do us a massive favour on the streets of Salford tonight. No matter what you're doing, make sure you take care. You're listening to the Sounds of Salford, the best station on the planet, bar none.
Wants you back again. back again.